Is it a good idea to microwave this? Welcome to season 1 of Is it a good idea to microwave this? I'm George Karen. This is what we're going to microwave in season 1. Look at all this stuff. Got a dog, and the same dog. So, here at the George Karen Laboratorium, safety is our #1 concern. That's why we have tinfoil to protect our nuts, because nobody likes roasted nuts and stuff. So, let's get started. Here, we named Vince Microwave Deshawn. Okay. Now, this dog is named Rex. Rex, meet Deshawn. We're gonna put him in here for, let's see, put him in here for maybe 5 minutes because I feel like it. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so 4 minutes as relapsed, and I think it's about done because I'm starting to see some smoke. Alright, now let's open it up and see what the dog turned out to be. Oh, prepackaged chicken. Very nice. Tyson. Never any steroids. Alright, that's all. Is it a good idea to microwave this? I'm George Karen. And I'm the camera guy.